I got my Jimmy B Needles and Notions pack in the mail today. What all we got in here? Aw, got a little owl tape measure. It's adorable. Oh, that's what that was supposed to be in. Let's see what stitch marker we got. Okay, I'm still learning my terminology for needle knit, so I'm not sure what M1L means, but this is still adorable. And the pencil, it's in white. I'm not sure if you can see that. I want to knit you like an animal. Oh, that's funny. Now for the needles. Some Addies. The Rocket 2 squares. Ooh. Okay, I gotta open these. I love squared needles. And I'll hold this up. If you want to pause it and read that information, you can. Oh, if you're able to see it. I know I got some glare going on. Okay. Ooh, doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh, these are nice. I am excited to try those. And what is all over the cord? Oh, okay, 4mm, US number 6, 24 inches. Oh, that's neat. Instead of having it marked on the needle, it's on the cord. That's actually pretty cool. But here's the needles I got. This is actually my 3rd month pinhole cast on. I love these. This is my 3rd month of getting this subscription. And I'll show you the needles that I've gotten so far. My first month, I got these ones. And they are a US 6. Last month, now these ones I like. These ones are a US 7. The Knitter's Pride. And then this month I got the Addie. So honestly, it seems like each month I'm getting nicer and nicer needles. So that's actually really cool. I've gotten 2 size 6s though. And I've got a size 7. And I've gotten a pencil each month and a Notion. This was last month's. The pencil accidentally came broke. But last month I got the scissors. And I'll show you what the stitch marker was. Because this one I knew. This one's yarn over. Okay guys, this is all I have for this. For special discount coupon codes, more information about the items you've seen here, please click on the video description section below, sorry. And questions, comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow my channel. Make sure the notifications are turned on. Thank you so much for watching.